Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how much to save before moving out. Start by calculating your estimated monthly expenses. Multiply that by 3 to 6 to determine your initial savings target. This fund covers essential costs like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Having this financial cushion ensures you can handle unexpected situations without stress. It's your first step towards independent living. Don't forget the one-time costs associated with moving. You'll likely need to pay a security deposit, which can be 1 or 2 months' rent, plus your first month's rent upfront. Factor in expenses for moving services, packing materials, and essential furniture. These initial outlays can add up quickly, so plan accordingly to avoid surprises. Once you're settled, your ongoing monthly expenses become the focus. These include rent, utilities like electricity and water, and internet. Don't forget groceries, personal care items, and household supplies. Also, budget for transportation, insurance, and some entertainment. Tracking your current spending for a few months will give you a realistic picture of what you'll need. Creating a solid savings plan is key. Set a clear, achievable goal and a timeline for reaching it. Automate regular transfers from your checking to your savings account to make it consistent. Look for ways to boost your income, perhaps with a side hustle, or cut back on non-essential spending. Regularly review your budget to stay on track and make adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.